This is Rui Khan, and I am going to introduce one more interesting topic of the Indian Contract Act. The topic is quantum merit. We have heard a lot about this concept of quantum merit, but what is the actual meaning of this word? The word quantum merit means as much as earned. It is actually a Latin word. Now suppose when two persons have entered into the contract and the contract could not be performed due to fault of one particular party. The question arises, other party is having the right for declaring, for making the contract is voidable. Now the question arises, when the obligation of the parties are discharged, whether is there any remedy which is to be given to the person who is suffered this kind of breach. Now we are going toward this quantum of merit concept. Quantum of merit simply says that in case the contract cannot be performed, the parties are not going to perform the obligation because breach of one of the party, then the other party will be entitled to get compensation, to get the amount to the extent to which he has performed. Suppose I'm just giving you one example. A has entered into the contract with B and A has promised to perform for a whole week a particular song, for whole week as I'm telling you. Now after 2 days the person is not able to perform. Might be possible because it was a fault of B, or it might be possible the fault of A. Now the question arises, this person who is B is entitled to claim that this contract should be voidable at his option, because after 2 days this A is incapable to perform his obligation. But the question arises, if this person A has already performed for 2 days, should he not be entitled to get the compensation for 2 days? This is actually the quantum merit concept, which is incorporated under section 70 of Indian Contract, which simply has the basis that you cannot get the unjust enrichment. Basically, if you have put some efforts in a particular contract, but now the contract cannot be further performed, at least you should be compensated for that part for which you have done something. Now here, as I have given the example of A and B for singing the song, A will be entitled to get the compensation for those 2 days to which he has already performed the song. This is actually the concept of quantum merit. The concept of quantum merit should always be read with 2 more sections of Indian contract. There are 2 sections, one that is section 64 of Indian Contract, another section that is section 65 of Indian Contract. Section 64 simply says, if the contract is voidable at the option of one party, he is entitled to claim the compensation for the loss to which he is suffered. As per section 65, if the contract is void, the party who has suffered the loss because of that contract will be entitled to get compensation for the loss. Section 70 of Indian Contract is an obligation which is not actually created by the contract. It is an obligation which is created by operation of law, which simply based on rule of equity. It allows you to get that part of, to get the compensation of that part of yours which you already performed, but further you cannot perform the obligation. So the party will be entitled to claim the compensation on the basis of quantum merit. This was the quantum of merit under Indian Contract Act. If you want to go for a detail of this concept, you can go for the many case laws from English law to Indian laws to understand this approach. Thanks for watching this video.